Hey everybody, Jeff here and welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we've got another leaked Black Friday ad. Now, of course, we already showed you the two Walmart ones here that you see here on the left. We showed you those on a previous video today. But now we have one from Sam's Club. If you look over on the far upper right hand corner, there's our Sam's Club Thanksgiving sale for 2020. Let's go pop in and take a look and see what we've got. So they're calling it their 10 days of Thanksgiving. So rather than cram everything into one day on Black Friday, they're doing this over 10 days from November 20th to November 29th. So we're going to show you even some more savings on their website in a minute. But I'm going to just show you what we have in the flyer for now. Nothing here interesting except for maybe this pot and pan set here. So yeah, this is the Viking 13-piece cookware set. And this deal is online only. It's not in the store. So it's $199. They normally sell it for $250. But they've taken $50 off of that. Let's see what else we got. Hey, you got some furniture there. You got $300 off the sectional sofa bed. Down to $499. I stay away from all of these Roombas and stuff. So those don't interest me much. Let's see, what are they doing with the appliances? Member price, too low to show. So we have to actually go and probably put it in the shopping cart. So yeah, so they got a couple of gaming chairs here in the lounge. The Mason, that's their theater power recliner. We may have had this Mason last year at December when they did that one-day sale. And I believe this chair, this $299 chair, might have been $250 during that sale. I think I recall that correctly. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, so you've got your watches, nothing fancy there, some toys. Okay, so here's that NBA Jam game, that stand-up game there. I showed you that on my live stream in Sam's Club a couple of weeks ago when I walked through there looking for deals. And they had gotten these boxes in, but there was no prices on them. So I'm assuming their price was going to be $450 because that's what most of these games were last year. Same with the Pac-Man games. So here they've got $50 off down to $399. And then over on the right here at the bottom, you got this tabletop arcade for $179. That's only $20 off. Nothing groundbreaking there. Now here's where you really start saving money is when you get to these speakers here. Like, so here's your Samsung 3.1 soundbar with the wireless subwoofer. So this is $120 off at $197.99. So about $200, and they normally sell it for about $320. So you're saving about $120 there. And then they've got the Bose has their answer as well to this, and Vizio as well. So all of these, let's see, the Vizio ones are $50 off down to $150, and the Bose is $40 off. So a lot of people have been buying the big screen TVs, including myself, over the summer. Ever since the pandemic started, everybody's been staying home and upgrading their TVs. But the speakers that come in the TVs are horrendous. So a lot of people like to beef things up here with these nice fancy sound bars. I might actually partake in that one. That one looks pretty cool. That's Samsung one. All right, what else have we got here? Now I like this weather station here with the atomic clock. It's only $5 off. It seems pretty cheap for what it does. And I've had these kinds of atomic clocks in the past, only they weren't color like this one. The ones I've had in the past were like those hard to look at LCDs that you really have to be at the right angle to see them, and they don't update when the time zone changes. They're a real pain in the butt. They don't grab the time, and that's because the atomic clock is out in the tower is out in Colorado, and so you have to put your sensor outside and leave it out there overnight where there's less interference in the atmosphere overnight because most people are sleeping. There's a lot fewer electromagnetic waves up there in the sky at that time, and that's the only time that they can pretty much update. They are kind of a pain in that respect. And then we're going to look online there and see if there's going to be any deal on any of these Samsung TVs. Okay, moving on to the next page here. You know, I was just thinking, you know, it seems kind of disappointingly sparse in the tool area here, but at least they have something here from Stanley Fat Max. So this is their 1000 peak amp hours power station here. And so it will also do 120 psi air compression, and it has 4 USB charging ports with an LED light. So this will be going down to $59.98 during that week of November 20th. Now, I've checked on their website, and right now this is currently showing up on Sam's Club at $79. See, here it is right now, currently on the Sam's Club website at $79.98. So if you were thinking of getting one of these, just wait about a month or so if you want to save $20 on it. Okay, now at the bottom of the page here, this is an incredible deal because they normally sell swing sets like this at Sam's Club. We bought one in 2006 that looked very similar to this one. Had the green slide, had the big fancy clubhouse. We didn't have the fancy staircase like this, but we did have a rock climbing wall on the back side of it. We paid $1,300 in 2006. So here you can see that the regular price of these is still around the $1,300 price range. But they're taking $300 off on the swing set here, and they're making it $1,000. So I have never seen a big fancy cedar wood swing set like these under $1,200 anywhere, neither at Sam's Club nor at Costco. And this is an online only, so it will be shipped to your house. And this is a pretty good deal. I would jump on this one. There's another one I want to show you that they have on their website right now. Okay, so this is a set. This is more of your mother of all swing sets here. I mean, this one's just absolutely incredibly huge. But this one is $1,699, and right now, without even waiting for Black Friday sale, they have it for $500 off. So this one normally goes for $2,200. We've never seen this one in a warehouse, probably because it's too big to have it in there. Okay, now as we look at the online site, here's where you're getting the real overview of all of the Sam's Club fall and winter savings, Black Friday, whatever you want to call it. They're trying to avoid using the term Black Friday now because they don't want everybody showing up in one day. They're spacing things out. That's like their 10 days of thanks savings is their Black Friday. And then before that, you can see there's going to be some November savings for the week of November 7th through the 15th. They won't give us any kind of inkling into that until October 31st, but maybe we'll see a leak a couple of days before that. And don't forget, Sam's Club is also doing a Cyber Monday, and they're doing another December savings week as well. So what I suspect is that December savings from the 5th and through the 12th of December is going to be the same thing they did last year, only last year was one day only. Here, I think they're going to stretch it out for that whole week. And you get those hours don't really look any different to me. All right, so as I look on the website for the TVs, I don't really necessarily see any deals right now. I think they're going to be coming up ahead. So you might want to kind of research your model numbers now and just watch for these key dates that are going to happen here to see if they go on sale. And the same thing for any additional tools that might show up. I think we will see more clarity on TV and tool deals on both the Cyber Monday and on the December savings week that you see there. So we'll get a better hint on that on November 25th and again on December 1st. And if you like this video so far, if you found this informational, hey, would you do us a favor and give us a thumbs up down below? That tells us that you like us. And man, look, if you're not subscribed to us, look at all of these different videos that we put up for you all the time. And lots of great videos on remodeling your homes and your kitchens and your bathrooms and tiling and engineering disasters like we showed you here the other day with this plumbing fail. So make sure if you're not subscribed that you click on that subscribe button and click the little gray bell icon next to it. That will tell YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.